everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I went online and I got this blow dryer brush. Okay, I've seen this brush online before, and the brand that I think it's originally from is Revlon, but as you can see on this one's carton there is no such thing, but it's a pretty good knockoff. I mean, come on, it looks exactly the same. I think I will get a similar result. I'm also not working alone. I also have my heat protectant here because we are not about to fall victim to heat damage. I have seen way too many horror stories of people that had to cut off their 6-year-old hair because of heat damage. I'm not about to be that person. Okay, so I got my heat spray right here. I already have my hair in sections, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I look like a crazy person. And look at my ends. Look at how squiggly, very, very dead and unhealthy and thin. So that is also why I want to trim my hair. Now, the scissors that I'm going to use to trim my hair is brand new, so it is very sharp. Nobody should judge me that I'm not using hair shears because I traveled far and wide today looking for hair shears. I went all the way to the mall. I checked Miniso, I checked ShopRite, I checked Casabella, I checked supermarkets, I checked everywhere, okay, and I did not see hair shears. So I went to go and buy brand new scissors just for the purpose of this video. So nobody should enter my comment section and be telling me that I'm not using hair shears. I will grab you. Okay, so I'm going to start with this section over here because, well, I don't know. I like starting from the back when I'm doing things. I don't know why. So I'm gonna go ahead and unravel this braid. I hate putting my hair in braids. I prefer twists, but seeing as my hair is in 5 big sections, I feel like it's better to put it in braids because if I had done twists, then the roots would have swollen, they would have puffed up and started to tangle amongst themselves. I've noticed that my hair does that when I do like really, really big twists like this. So that's why I decided to put my hair in braids. And I feel like I should note that I moisturized my hair yesterday, so I'm not going to be using like that much leave-in conditioner today. I think I'll start with this section. I don't know if this is too big a section, but I don't think so. The first thing I'm going to do is moisturize that section again with a little bit of leave-in conditioner. My heat protectant is from XHC Argan Oil Heat Defense Leave-In Spray. So this is what I'll be using to protect my hair because I do not want to fall victim of heat damage. Okay. Alright, so I've watched a lot of tutorials about using this brush, okay, and a lot of people start off with low heat because they don't want to like blast their hair with high heat too quickly. So I think that's where I'm going to start. It has 3 heat settings, so there's off, there's low, medium and high. So I'll start off with low. And so my journey to build out hair began. Okay, so one thing I noticed is that the blow dryer brush is actually quite big, and I have small hands, so I had to use 2 hands to like properly handle it. But to be honest, after I got the hold of it, it was a lot easier to use and the effects could be seen almost immediately. Okay, so what I would advise is, when you have warmed up your hair a little bit on low heat, switch to medium heat. That way it can go, like it can be faster. Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay. Wow. 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 Okay. I'm shook up. I'm shooken up. That's crazy. Wow. Okay. Well, as much as I'm enjoying this length, it's time to trim. Look at them. Okay, so what I want to do now to keep the hair stretched, because my hair I leave it like this, I think that I've stretched my hair. It's just gonna roll back on itself in a matter of literal minutes. So I'm going to twist it up, and because I just freshly trimmed the ends, I don't expect the twist to hold. So after twisting it up, I'm going to now roll it up into like a bantu knot. Okay, I expect this to look really good tomorrow morning. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to be unraveling these braids and blow drying my hair section by section, of course with my heat protectant. And going forward, I'm only going to use my heat protectant because I tried putting my leave-in conditioner and then my heat protectant, and I noticed that I started getting flakes. So I don't think they mix very well. Thankfully, I've already moisturized my hair yesterday, so I don't think there is an issue. My hair is not dry, okay? So I'm just going to spray my heat protectant and then blow dry. Hopefully, all goes well.
Oh, and I don't think I mentioned it before, but the heat does not affect my ears and it doesn't affect my scalp. Like, I don't know how they regulated it, but it is so comfortable to use.
Okay, I'm finally done blow drying every single section on my head, and will I be doing this often? Absolutely not. It's definitely easier than using a regular blow dryer and brush or comb, but I don't know. There's something about the straightening effect, or maybe not the straightening effect, but like just the stretching effect in general that just makes me a little bit uncomfortable, especially with heat. You see, I'm the kind of person that allows like intrusive thoughts to win, and I've watched way too many. I think I've said this before in this video. I've watched way too many like horror stories as regards heat damage. So I'm doing my best to really like steer clear, but I just couldn't stop myself from buying this. I just felt like I had to have it, like I had to try it. So I have, and I think I like it, but I just won't be doing it so often. So I think I'm going to leave my hair in these bantu knots overnight, just because I feel like if I let them down now, I won't be able to put them all back to go back to bed. I'm going to church tomorrow morning, and I just think, or rather, I'm hoping that this gives me like these like really awesome blown out curls. Hopefully. So tomorrow morning before church, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna take them down, and I'm hoping to God that this was not a waste of time, because I don't know what else I would do to my hair in time for church. So hopefully this goes well.
All right, it's Sunday morning, okay, and I know my makeup is looking very powdery, very pasty, but I was in a hurry and I wasn't even done with my makeup and everything. I was really rushing. This is my hair butter that I'm going to use to take down the bantu knots, okay. I put a little bit of the moisture butter in the palm of my hands. If you know me, you know that I don't really like to use butter, but there are some times where butter is just like absolutely necessary, okay. So you know, butter is made of oil, and oil is like hydrophobic, so it doesn't allow water to enter into the hair, and it also doesn't allow moisture that is in the hair to escape. So it's just perfect for blowouts like this, so that environmental humidity does not swell my blowout, and my hair remains moisturized within. Okay, so yeah, I'm using the butter to unravel the bantu knots, and it's looking like it has promise, but I don't know. I don't know. So I start with the unraveling of the twist, little by little, section by section. I go very, very gently, very, very slowly, but also at the same time in a rush. I don't know if that makes sense. I was rushing, but I was slow. I was gentle. So I was taking it down little by little, and the curls were showing promise. Okay, they were not actually as bad as I thought they were going to be, and Well, beep bippity boop bop and bam, this is the final result. It's looking like so good. Would I recommend this blow dryer brush to everybody I meet in this world? Absolutely. Share this video with all of your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video next week. Goodbye.